Get live to your reporter Justin Adams. He's at DIA right now, and Justin, travelers have been dealing with ground delays all day long because of these strong wind gusts.
Yeah, and because of those strong wind gusts, guess what we have? A lot of delays here at the airport. Get this, 731 delays at the airport. That's according to FlightAware. Let's put that in perspective. Just an hour ago, that number was just at 600. Now that has ballooned over 700. I want you to take a look at this video that I shot from earlier this morning. And do you see all that yellow on the board? All the yellow on the board are the flights that have been delayed here at the airport. You can just see, you barely can even go past three flights that have been on time before you get to another flight that has been delayed. Now, the majority of the flights, according to FlightAware, that are delayed are Southwest Airlines. United comes in second as well. So if you do fly out at any of those carriers, please keep in mind of that today. Also, another thing that I'm seeing here at the airport, not a lot of people that are sitting around. You would expect that number to be a little bit different, but that's not true. What's happening here at the airport is everyone's able to go and get through TSA checkpoints. The standard security line wait time is only 2 to 6 minutes long. But then after they get past that point, get to the train and get to their concourse, that's where the delays hit them from there. So this will be something to keep an eye on for the rest of the day. And if you do have to fly out today, make sure you do check the status of your flight, because you may not be leaving on time, but you should be getting to your destination sometime today. At the airport, your reporter Justin Adams, covering Colorado First.
All right, Justin, thank you so much. And today's